Thinking about grabbing a pair of comfy insoles or slippers from Comfofeet.com? The site promises pain relief, better posture, and all day comfort, but is it actually legit or just another sketchy online store? Let's take a quick look. Quick disclaimer also before we begin, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. And a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Comfofeet sells orthotic style sleepers and insoles that claim to help with boot pain and alignment. The site looks clean, professional, and packed with health claims. But over on Trustpilot, reviews are all over the place. Some say the products are comfy and worth the price. Others complain about slow shipping, poor quality, and no response from customer service. A few users even say they had trouble getting a refund. There is also not much info about the company itself, which makes it harder to trust, especially when it comes to health related products. So, is Comfofeet.com a scam? Not exactly, but it's a mixed bag. You might get a decent pair of slippers, but with the shaky customer support and inconsistent reviews, it's definitely a gamble. Try Comfofeet? Let us know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on online products and stores.